All right, Arvin here from the VRARA. So go ahead and tell us your name, who you're with, and a little bit about what you do.
My name is Troy Wood. I'm Executive Director of Marketing at HTC Vive.
Awesome, awesome.
Yes.
So tell us a little bit about, so speaking of the public sector and enterprise space, what are you most excited about as far as the cross between XR and AI?
Ooh, XR and AI, like where they're matching up?
Yeah.
Well, the thing I love about the space on the enterprise side is it's helping people to do what they normally do in their jobs, just be more effective at it. So in terms of AI with XR, we see a lot of adoption in like Gen AI responses and avatars. And so it's great for things like therapy sessions. It's good for training, a lot of soft skills training where you can actually interact with someone who has an issue and then they can gauge your response in their response.
Yeah.
We've also seen some developers using things like facial tracking to build that into the Gen AI response so they can see like what the emotions are being exhibited by the trainee. And then the avatars respond to that in kind. First is, how do we make this environment as immersive as possible and get, like for instance, a company called VRARA or a company Axon, like it's doing their training, but in a virtual environment where it makes more fiscal sense. Axon, for instance, we worked with them to build our tracking into their, it's kind of a mock taser.
Oh, wow.
And so, but those tasers, it costs, I don't know, $25 every time you deploy a taser. So they don't train on them as much as they normally would. Yeah. But if you do that in a virtual environment, they're much more likely to, have repeated training on it. So that's like an immersive kind of training thing.
It's having a huge impact on training, and it's exciting to see how much it's growing.
Yeah.
It keeps growing.
Yes.
So, well, thank you for taking the time to sit down with us and chat with us, and looking forward to seeing some more exciting things here at the Roadshow.
Sounds good. Thanks for having me.
Yeah.